I'm going to show you a quick way to make a couple videos out of a short video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the intro. No one needs to know your name and all your credentials. You can put that in your bio. I'm going to do this through CapCut, so feel free to slow it down, speed it up, copy it, and use it. Okay, we have CapCut open. We're going to go ahead and select the video to do a little bit of editing. I'm going to upload that video you see here, and we're going to play our first couple seconds to hear what's going on. Our job today is to take out the intro.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen. I am a fitness professional who works with people of all ages to build strong bodies, real confidence, and indestructible mindsets.
Okay, so we're gonna hit split and we're gonna go ahead and delete this. We don't need the intro. We're gonna hit split and make sure that it's gonna be highlighted. And I'm going to go to the portion that I wanna delete and I'm going to press delete and it's gone. You're gonna see me play the video again. We wanna do a little bit more deleting as we go forth.
Player, PE teacher, and a mom of 3 tiny humans.
So now I'm gonna follow the same pattern. I'm gonna click the video, hit split, and then the portion I wanna get rid of, I'm going to now highlight it and press delete. That's done.
For people who have been carrying more than they realize, stress, self-doubt, fear of failure, and help them turn movement into a tool for strength, resilience, and self-belief.